How to manage followers on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage followers on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and now click this one here on your profile and then click this one, account settings, and then click this one, stream manager, click on it, and now I want you to just turn this one off if you don't want followers stream, and turn it on. And as you see, now followers has been turned off. If you want to turn it on, just click on it. And that's how many followers on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.